Are we all ready to go? We're going to White Paul's house today, right?
Let's go. Ding.
Evie, are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, we're driving on our way to see White Paul, which is Chinese for grandmother. White Paul and Weigong, we're going to their house. This is more of a test of the GoPro's capabilities than anything else. We're not doing any action-y stuff until Monday when we're going to
Kentucky Kingdom.
We're going to Kentucky Kingdom, that's right. We're going to Kentucky Kingdom and Hurricane Bay. We got the whole fam in the car, so we're gonna see if we can get back. Got Evie, she's already engrossed in her tablet. She probably is not even hearing what I'm saying. Oh no, there you go. And then we got Rory. Hello, Rory. Can you say hi? Hello. She's eating mangoes. She's a little spaced out, which is good. We want that. We want her to be spaced out for as long as possible during this 3.5-hour car trip. We even got, well, we got Jen, of course, driving. We just hit the highway, so should be 3 hours and 20 minutes to get to our destination. Wow, that's a nice looking pool. All right, we're finally here. We're here. Oh, your tablet fell down. Let me get that for you. Wow, you got Cheetos all over your face. Evie, we're here. Yeah! Yay! All right, we made it to the grandparents' house. So now we're just gonna relax. Actually, kids are going out for a nap. We're gonna go to Costco, buy a whole bunch of goodies. See you in a bit.
Oh, you guys got a GoPro.
We did. We did get a GoPro. Wow, Evie, did you just put, how many pieces of seaweed did you just put in your mouth at one time? How many was that?
Unknown.
An unknown number. Too high to count. Doesn't look like you guys are getting ready to go down for your nap.
No.
No.
Now you ripped my high tie.
I ripped your high tie? What do you mean I ripped your high tie?
Yeah.
How did I rip your high tie?
You punched me in the nose.
I punched you in the nose? When did this happen? Because I'm filming the whole, I'm filming everything.
You hit me with your bat.
Oh, I hit you with a, well, I apologize. I did not mean to hit you with the
And
bag.
you break my high tie.
Is it still edible? Okay, I thought so. I think you're fine. Okay, we're at our other must stop every time we come to Louisville, and that is, what is this place called? Choi's Asian Supermarket. We just call it the Asian Supermarket because, well, we have one in Charleston, but Jen doesn't like it, so we just go to this one. We're on our second shopping trip of the day. This time just get some regular groceries from the old Walmart. Of course we have one of these, but you know, we don't want to get like milk from the Costco.
We don't need bulk bread.
No, we don't need bulk bread and cheese that we're just gonna buy. Normal portions, use those to feed our kids who are notoriously picky and will only eat like quesadillas and grilled cheese sandwiches. All right, back home, I didn't get any footage, but Jen was really excited. I'm like, unnecessarily excited about finding some swimmer diapers that were on clearance. They were on clearance. They were only like $3, and she like freaked out in the store. She's like, no, I'm like $9. They don't make them anymore.
Discount.
It's a huge percent, like 66%. It's diapers, right? And it's like $3. Like, okay, whatever. Okay, up bright and early for our second day at Grandma and Grandpa's house. Not much going on today. First day was a lot of shopping. Second day, we're probably gonna get out the slide. Probably gonna get out like the slide. What's going on, Rory? Yes, your sister's sitting. Kids normally waking up around 6:30. Now, Grandma and Grandpa are on a completely different schedule, so we're probably not going to see them for a couple hours. Basically, just gonna hang out with the kids. Jen was nice enough to wake up early, and now she's gone back to bed. And now I am just down here by myself. Okay, this is the start of our day. Just ate breakfast, give John a break. He's been outside with the girls for a long time, and Rory didn't want to come inside. We're going to let her stay out here with Ezio a little bit, and Ezio get a little bit of fresh air.
Mama.
Yeah, kitty meow meow. Rory, what have you been doing this morning? Did you play with Bubbles? Bubbles? Come on, let's go back and get your Bubbles. Come on, Ezio. Come here. We gotta keep watching the toddler, man. We can't just like leave her. Is it working? You got bubbles coming out? Whoa, so many bubbles. Pop? Are you popping the bubbles now? Hey, Rory, are we gonna go inside to eat lunch soon? No. But if we eat lunch, so we can come back outside after our nap and we can play on the water slide. Yeah, it's pretty silly, huh? Pop.
Wow.
Yeah, we're gonna walk. Let's go. Ezio, come back. Hello.
Hey.
Yeah. He said he loves strawberries, and then you try to give him one, he just recoils.
No, he does. Yesterday he was all about it.
He was probably just starving yesterday. All right, we're headed back out to do some more shopping. Actually, we just forgot a couple things from last time. Hey, we actually didn't end up getting the slide out, which is kind of okay, because we were both tired. We took like multiple naps, and the kids were wearing out my brother-in-law, John. He was playing with them for like hours.
Hours? How about like a full day?
Yeah, it was pretty nuts. Pretty laid back day, but that's fine because tomorrow is gonna be real busy. I mean, tomorrow we're going to the water park. That's where most of this video is gonna be, I'm sure. So tomorrow when we go to the water park, we'll see you there. So we're done with the store, and what we're going to now is Tumbleweed to get some queso. And every time we come to Louisville, we try to get some of this queso. And then I think Jen wants to go to Aldi's and maybe pick up another like inflatable pool for the kids. Even though like we're probably not gonna use it, like we didn't use the slide today, but you know.